So, my name is Nathaniel Manns. I'm the head bartender at the Wilks Bar at Langdon Hall, and this cocktail is Glass Bird. We're going to start with 2 ounces of Hidden Temple from Nickel 9 Distilling in Toronto. 1 ounce of limeless lime juice, a lime juice substitute that we build from extremely sustainable, shelf-stable component parts. To balance the lime juice, we're using 3/4 of an ounce of evergreen forest syrup, which contains spring-harvested balsam fir tips, cedar tips, and spruce tips, as well as some sage from our garden and bog myrtle from the forest. Using a little bit of a lemon verbena tincture, harvested from our garden this summer and infused into a high-proof neutral spirit to extract as much verbena flavor as possible. Miss Better's Miraculous Foamer to create a nice, beautiful, sour meringue foam. And for a little color, 3 drops of chlorophyll. We're going to use a dry shake to activate the foam. Add ice and shake 10 seconds. And then we're going to double strain into a coupe glass. Finally, as garnish, some beautiful trimmed cedar leaves. This is Glass Bird. Please enjoy.